be an outshot. 12-4 by the Penguins here in the second period. Face out to the left of Brian Elliott, who's been razor sharp in the Ottawa net tonight. Picking right up where he left off in Nashville on Thursday before the Christmas
But
break.
the traffic is moving along.
Yeah, it got better, actually.
We named him the first star of the game.
Yeah, that breakaway save on Martin Erat was a dandy, wasn't it?
Yep.
Maybe a game turner.
Yeah, it was a tight checking game down there, and that certainly was a game saver, no question. Engelland takes a pass on the right wing, gets in over the Ottawa line, and then Kuban took him out, and the Sens get it out down the ice, and no icing this time, though.
Cora's working well.
Playing it on the backhand, round behind the net to the near corner.
He is so
Peter
close.
Regan in hard on the forecheck. Now Goligoski controls.
My guess is
Away from
1.5
Kovalev in behind
hours
his own net.
I could
from
tell you
here.
Brian Elliott is
Could be,
urging
but
your
I'm
players
thinking
spend
1
more
hour.
time 200 feet away
Because
from his
with
own
normal
goal.
traffic
Hard on
here
the
in
forecheck.
Barclay
That's what the
Heights,
Senators
Yeah.
need more
40
of, guys.
minutes.
Dupuis
There's
to
a
Cook
no
down
more
the right wing
traffic.
over the Ottawa line. Sean Hunt, stick save Elliott. Rebound. Indicated Goligoski.
This car in
Left
front of
the
us
net
is having a
position as he
problem.
Loved it down and then got it
Yeah,
to the
see?
corner to Cook. Ottawa failing to get it out again. Dupuis with a shot. That's blocked by Fisher. Bounces to the net. Elliott got his left hand.